Hi, this is Anna from iCreate Africa. iCreate Skill Fest 2016 happened today and tomorrow in Abuja. The first of its kind in Africa, the first of its kind in Nigeria, and the biggest skill competition ever we have.
Are we ready? Are we ready? 2, 1, start! Skills is that universal currency. And if that is what all of us are working towards, then I bet you this country will be better and also safe. iCreate is, we don't wait for opportunity, we create them. And that's what we're doing right here.
Hello guys, my name is Bright Jaja, I'm the CEO of iCreate Africa, and today we're live at the iCreate skill competition in Kaduna, the first ever skill competition in the north.
A lot because they've given us the opportunity to showcase our talent to the world.
This is another way out. We're trying to create a different type of celebrity, a type of celebrity that builds things, a type of celebrity that clothes people, a type of celebrity that fixes things.
We are live in Enugu at the Southeast iCreate Skill Fest for the first time in the Southeast to crown new champions that will follow us to Lagos to represent their various skill trades in the final.
Regarding iCreate, it's a wonderful platform to project the skills in Africa and in Nigeria.
We're not babies anymore, right? We can't wait for things to come to us. If you want something, go get it.